Hello, my name is Teacher Han. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, teacher. My name is Hải Yến.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Okay, are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Look at this one. What is it?
It's a hat.
This one?
It's a dress. It's a jumper. It's a coat.
What are these?
These are shoes.
What are these?
These are trousers.
Okay, what color is a hat?
Is green. Blue.
What color is a dress?
Is pink.
What color is a jumper?
Is green.
What color is a coat?
Is purple.
What color are these shoes?
Is red.
What color are the trousers?
Is brown.
Okay, next one. What is he or she wearing? What is she wearing? She is wearing
She is wearing dress.
dress. What is he wearing? He is wearing.
He is wearing jumper.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing coat.
Coat. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing coat.
Coat. Next one. Is it hot or cold?
Is hot.
Is it hot or cold?
Is cold.
Is it hot or cold?
Is hot.
Is it hot or cold?
Is cold.
What do you wear when hot? I
wear dress.
What do you wear when cold? I
wear coat.
Coat. Okay, next one. Can you please tell me the story Amanda goes on holiday?
Amanda goes on holiday. Amanda is going on holiday. This her and Granny and Granda. Granny and Granda are here. It's time to go. Amanda, Granny, and her Granda to go to the bedroom. It's very hot.
Good job. Next one and the last one. What letter is it?
It's letter C.
What is the sound of the letter C?
K, K, K.
Good. C is for.
C is for coat.
Next one.
C is for computer.
Next one.
C is for clock.
And
C is for coat. C is for cat. C is for cousin.
very good. High five. Sit down.